are working really tirelessly.
O Myntri ke Tnad ke Kam Public Health Engineering ke Meglayo o Marcus N. Marak, ula Pynpaw ya ke Jingbiang hakarukom terekam jong ka Single Village Water Supply Schemes. Ban Pynpaw umdi syakiyeng kisam ke than nongkendong hapo jong ka Jal Jeevan Mission. Ke SVWSS ke donya ke Jingkular ke Bakrau, ban ay ya ke umbam umdi ke babiang syakithan nongkendong. Bat weng ya ke Jing ke Bakilamat hakabayade bat ke Multi Village Scheme. O Myntri ulalit jingo ya ka Karongre Water Supply Scheme ke bertemu bansam umbam umdi sya ka Barenga Para bat kibenta jong ke dalu.
Single village water supply scheme.
There are lots, many single village. I don't remember the exact numbers, so there are many single village water supply schemes also. In the Karongri, I will tell you one story. It took so long because there was a flood last year. You remember? Because of that flood, so many pipelines which were already laid was washed away, and then some of the pumping stations which has already constructed was filled with muds and all. So that needs to be cleared, and all the pumpings were damaged, and it has to be replaced. So it is replaced now, so it's going to be operational very soon.
Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kalalong